like a challenge. So I just keep going, trusting the Lord. The more that I know, the more that I grow, the more that I show the devil that he's on the bottom of my soul. Yeah, he's on the bottom of my soul. This is what I know. Life comes and life goes, and I'm not about to sit around and let time pass me by, though. The time is now, and I ain't going nowhere. When fear comes around, I tell it bow down, down, down.
All my kiddos had a blast at the pool. We had 9 square. We got to have a huck a buck this year. We even got to do a fishing tournament followed by some boat races. I had a blast. All the kids had a blast, and I can't wait for many, many more years to come.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You know what you see is what you find. You just keep the peace in my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. 'Cause no matter where I go, it's somewhere.
We gave them, some lessons, some tips to get faster, stuff to work on, identified those weaknesses, and was really able to overall make them a better rider and be prepared for the second half of the season.
Fuel Ministry Camp 2023, Guthrie, Oklahoma. We're so excited about this year and this year's theme of Level Up. Our desire is for your campers in every way to level up their skills in riding bikes and in riding quads. But our desire also is for them to level up with their walk with Christ in everyday living. We give them the skills that they need to overcome in the sport that they love. But our real desire is for them in their everyday life to level up who they are, to become the very best versions of themselves.